Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. So I was looking for some air freshener for my car that was free from chemicals, and guess what I found? I found these two beautiful car vent clip diffusers which have been working wonderfully. Let me show you why. These Car Diffuser Vent Clips come with 12 felt pads. Right here I added some lavender oil. So easy to insert the felt pad and just close it. I brought it to my car and I inserted it where the vents are for the air conditioner. Not only does it look beautiful, but it smells amazing. You're gonna see some small round holes in the back. This allows you to get more smell out of the essential oil. This makes a perfect gift. I love how it was packaged. You're gonna see even that the vent clips have a different design. One has a sunflower design and the other one has a tree design. They're stainless steel and they are super cute and great for minimizing those bad odors and just having something cute and stylish. Having these not only take care of my health by avoiding chemicals, but it also allows me to have a variety of amazing aromas in my car by using different essential oils in here. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.